Hello everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So in this video we are going to learn some idioms through conversation. So let's get into the video. Hey Priya, did you hear about Riya and Ranveer's sudden breakup? Yeah, it was really out of the blue. They seemed so happy together. I know. It's like their relationship went up in smoke overnight. Relationships can be tricky. Sometimes people realize they have been living in a fool's paradise. True, but they were planning to get engaged. Now everything's fallen apart. That stuff, it's like their dreams of a happy future turned into a house of cards. And they were inseparable. I never saw it coming. Love can be a roller coaster. One moment you are on cloud nine, and the next it's a bumpy side. Let's see the meaning of idioms. Up in smoke. It means sudden or unexpected failure of something, often referring to a plan or expectation. Next one is fool's paradise. Living in a fool's paradise means being in a state of happiness or contentment based on false belief or illusion. Last one is out of the blue. It means something happens suddenly or unexpectedly without any prior indication or prior warning. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.